Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find friends' birthdays on Facebook. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and then on the search bar search for the friend that you are looking for. Okay, for example here if I choose this one, then click about and then click contact and basic info. The person here, he didn't hide his birthday. As you can see here, 23rd of April and 1992. This is what you need to do if you want to find friends' birthdays on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.